I'm going to show you how to use both your stiff and your flood consistency icing. This is a little bit more of a traditional way to use royal icing on a cookie. So I'm going to use my stiff icing first, and I'm going to outline the cookie, then I'm going to fill it in with my flood consistency. I'm going to show you how easy that is. Now again, you want to work relatively quickly. You don't want the icing to start to set up. So I just come in with my flood consistency icing, and you can see that it's much looser, and it starts to fill that space really nicely. And again, the flood icing is what's going to give you that nice, smooth surface. And there's one done. So I'm going to start with my star cookie here. You can see that the icing has set up nice and firm, and that is when you know you're good to keep decorating. So the fun thing about using stiff icing is that it can create a texture on the top of your cookie, and it really allows you a lot of opportunity to make some really fun designs and patterns. So I'm just going to start making some swirls on my star cookie. Just going to go around and eyeball where I want the swirls, and they don't have to be perfect. It's going to be an all-over pattern. Kind of alternate the direction they go in just for some visual interest. And there we go. A nice, fun, simple cookie. Some clean decoration, great for maybe a wedding, but very easy, very simple to do, and that texture from the stiff icing gives a whole new characteristic to the cookie. Don't forget to visit tasteofhome.com for more ideas on how to decorate cookies and some great cookie recipes.